Hello friends, in this tutorial we're going to see the testing types. There are two types of testing, manual testing and automation testing. Now we will quickly see very simple and easy definitions of all these points. Okay, let's start with the manual testing. What is manual testing? This type of testing includes the testing of the software manually. Okay, the one which you can do manually is a manual testing. That is without using any automated tool or any script. In this type, the tester takes over the role of an end user and tests the software to identify any unexpected behavior or bug. There are different stages for manual testing like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Friends, again, user acceptance testing is a very important topic. We will cover this topic in our next tutorial. Okay, back to manual testing. Testers use test plan, test cases, or test scenarios to test the software to ensure the completeness of testing. Manual testing also includes exploratory testing, as testers explore the software to identify errors in it. So this is it about the manual testing. So what is automation testing? Automation testing is also known as test automation. Okay, and it takes place when the tester writes scripts and uses another software to test the software. This process involves automation of a manual process. Automation testing is used to rerun the test scenarios that were performed manually, quickly, and repeatedly. Apart from regression testing, automation testing is also used to test the application from load, performance, and stress point of view. And it also increases the test coverage, improve accuracy, save time and money in comparison to manual testing. Okay, so our next point, what to automate? This is a very important question. What to automate? So it is not possible to automate everything in the software. However, the area at which user can make transactions such as login form or registration forms, etc., are or any area where large amount of users can access the software simultaneously should be automated. In short, friends, we use gmail.com regularly. Okay, hope you all use gmail.com. Okay, so our complete concentration is on the right hand side where it's written login, password, and sign in. That is important to us, and what else is written on that page hardly matters for us. So our full concentration on the login side. So that's what we are talking here, that the part which is used simultaneously should be automated. Okay, so we have answered to this question, what to automate. Now next, when to automate? Again, this is a very important question, so I have made some points for you guys. Okay, when to automate? When there is a large and critical projects, when projects that require testing the same areas frequently. Okay, requirements not changing frequently. If it is changing frequently, then manual testing is best for that project. Okay, accessing the application for load and performance with many virtual users, stable software with respect to manual testing, and more importantly, availability of time. Now, how to automate? How to automate? To automate, the very first thing you need to do is identifying areas within a software for automation. Identify the area within a software that where you want to automate. Okay, what you want to automate. Then selection of appropriate tool for automation. Okay, for test automation. I will tell you the various tools available in the market which are useful for this automation purpose. So once you decided that what area you wanted to automate, the next step is, according to the requirement, you need to select the appropriate tool for the test automation. The next step, writing test scripts, and then after that development of test suites, execution of scripts, create result reports, identify any potential bug or performance issue. So this is how you can automate. This is a little process for that. Now for automation, the very important thing is the tool. Okay, tool. Guys, these are the tools available in the market. The very important and the most used tool is HP Quick Test Professional. Okay, maximum or most of the companies are using this HP Quick Test Professional tool. There is Selenium, there is one more IBM tool, Rational Functional Tester, Silk Test, Test Complete, Testing Anywhere, WinRunner, Load Runner, Visual Studio Test Professional, VATIR. Okay, these are the tools which helps in automation testing. Okay, hope you understand everything. I tried to give you very easy and simple definitions of all these points. Okay, so see you in next tutorial. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video.